Marble. Marble helps in creating courses for marketing, customer training, onboarding, and other educational objectives in a branded academy. You've got great ideas to teach, but online course creation can get confusing and complicated pretty quick. Is this a module or a nodule? Follow up, will anyone notice either way? On the flip side, the last thing potential students want to do is create yet another account and remember another password. What if there was a platform that let you create a course in just 10 minutes, complete with bite-sized lessons and a beautiful, branded academy, no logins required? Introducing Marble. A brief summary. Create an online academy with unlimited users, no coding necessary. Build immersive and engaging micro-courses with a branded theme, and track the progress of your audience. Alternative to Thinkific and Teachable. Best for marketers, freelancers, agencies, and customer success managers who want an easy way to educate their customers. Marble allows you to create courses in a branded academy for marketing, customer training, onboarding, and other educational purposes. Marble offers all the tools you need to build your online academy and courses in just 10 minutes. With point-and-click functionality, the creation process is quick and easy, allowing you to share your course with others through the link or email, no registration required. You can even connect materials spread over different sources. Set up your academy and build your branded course in minutes with Marble's beginner-friendly course builder. Not quite blessed with design skills? Marble makes it easy to create a branded academy with a theme that fits your brand perfectly, without requiring any design or coding talent. That way, you don't have to hire an expensive designer, but you still have control over what your course looks like. Choose from professionally designed academy theme templates, and use the one that best fits your brand's aesthetic. Choose from one of the stylish themes to create your branded academy in minutes. Effective courses offer excellent user learning experiences, which Marble prioritizes in its mission to make learning more fun and enjoyable. The course background is branded, creating an immersive learning environment that offers a seamless transition from your branded content to the course. Marble also takes a micro-learning approach, giving you the tools you need to cultivate bite-sized learning experiences that avoid information overload. Create an immersive learning experience by adding elements like questions, YouTube videos, Google Docs, Calendly links, and more. Marble helps you monitor each user's progress and analyze your lessons based on the user's feedback and engagement with the content. Get advanced insights into learning progress by tracking the amount of time every user spent on each lesson. On the Academy dashboard, you can compare different courses and lesson statistics with analytics for each course and user. Get advanced analytics to make data-driven decisions about your courses. Trying to figure out complicated online course platforms isn't just hard on you, it's also a pain for your audience. Is there a course on how to register for courses? With Marble, you can easily build your own branded academy and strengthen your relationships with customers by creating a simple, straightforward learning experience. Empower your audience with accessible knowledge. Get lifetime access to Marble today.